So, guys, I am outside right now. Wow. In Salisbury, and see, there's literally a blizzard. My whole yard is filled up with just snow. It's about 2 feet now. Almost about 2 feet. So, let's take an adventure. Or not adventure, but look, you can barely see my feet. Let's go around here. Pretty dang cold. Wear plenty of clothes. See that hay over there? Or wheat? That wasn't there. Or it was there, but now it's almost all covered up. Let's go around the house. In Mom's car. Oh, God. Look at that. It used to be way up there, but now it's down here. Because of all the snow. No? That's fine. A friend. It's pretty cold outside. Look at this bush, Lucas. Huh? Hey, look at this bush. It's literally blowing us. A little bit. About like a foot and a half right now. Huh?
Fine, look your Amanda and Logan.
They're not in the camper?
No, just check. I thought you were in Logan. We got some. Dude, in my backyard. There's snow comes all the way to my knees.
Really?
Yeah. You know right there the white zone?
Uh-huh.
You know right there the white zone?
Uh-huh.
It comes all the way to my knees.
It's a blizzard!
It is.
Barely any snow on these trees.
Dude, you're freaking snow in your yard. Ow!
Huh?
There's snow in your yard. Cat! That hurts when you turn around. Oh, my feet out like that.
Doing what?
Right.
We're gonna go see how hot his building or not building, but
Now we're gonna go see how hot my building is, so I can measure it for the snow. Not yet. Measuring how much snow is in my backyard because I said it comes all the way up to my freaking knees, dude. It came up to right here.
you got 7 seconds to like this video.
Oh no. Is your feet not being cold?
It's cold. Well, my right one is.
My left one.
Look at that, guys. Comment down below if you have been playing in the snow. Or that. Comment down below what is your favorite season. Comment down below how high the snow was in your backyard. Like for more. And subscribe. It's like on the ice man. It's really nothing like on the ice man because these are like,
That was colder. It was like 50 degrees below.
50 degrees Celsius. And he was walking up a mountain. He was doing something. He had a whole bunch of armor. Like, I don't know what it's called, but a harpoon or something like that. Or like some kind of weapons to hunt. And he got like shot. Or no, he didn't get shot because that was like 5,300 years ago. About 5,318 years ago. But now, he's dead. He fell. He got bleed out from a harpoon right through, like right here. So we're about to go. Yeah. So we're look at that. Yeah, about 9-10 inches high. Merry Christmas! Look at that. This video will end soon. It literally goes to our knees. Hey, look, we can actually make a fort right here. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm not going to. Oh, God.
It's literally falling apart. Icicle comment. It's a new Flash video or episode. Season 5, episode 27 or something like that. This video will end at 10 minutes. What?
And hunt for noses in them. Because they might be hurt somewhere. I don't know.
We're gonna walk down to the road. Blizzard. Wear plenty of clothes, boots, socks, muttons, or something for your hands. Gloves, hats, jackets, pants, short pants, everything. You don't want to get no hypothermia. You need a. If you got hypothermia, if you got hypothermia and you need to call 911, you need to levitate, or not levitate, but like level their legs on a pillow or feet on their pillow and put their head up like this and have like a fan to cool them down and stuff like that, and let them drink plenty of fluids. Huh?
You actually have clothes on.
Yeah. The video's gonna end here in like 10 seconds. Alright guys, please like, subscribe for more, and comment in the description below.